क्लास 11B नॉन मेडिकल कंपाउंड है। यहाँ से एक कार्बन प्योरीफायर सिस्टम के ऊपर बेस्ड है। यहाँ से जैसे ये सारा धुआं यहाँ पे आएगा और ये सारा धुआं यहाँ से इस पूरे सिस्टम में हो जाएगा और यहाँ से पूरा कार्बन रोड जो सिस्टम है वो सारे के सारे पोर्स को अपने तरफ अपनी केमिकल्स को अपने अंदर ले लेगा, जिससे कि ये जो पूरा एयर है वो क्लीन हो जाएगा। यहाँ से ये जो क्लीन एयर है वो यहाँ से निकलेगी, पूरी की पूरी क्लीन एयर। और जो सिस्टम हमने पूरा बनाया है ये दिल्ली एनसीआर एरियाज जैसे जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा पॉल्यूशन होते हैं वहाँ के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेहतर रहेगा। यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पॉल्यूशन होता है और ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है ये इस पूरे सिस्टम की मेन पार्ट्स है जो उनके अंदर से केमिकल्स, बैड स्मेल्स और ऑर्डर्स को अपने अंदर ले लेता है, जिससे कि ये पूरा सिस्टम वर्क कर रहा है। यहाँ पे हमने एक स्कूल और एक हॉस्पिटल दिखाया है कि यहाँ पे पॉल्यूशन की सबसे ज़्यादा मात्रा सबसे कम होनी चाहिए, सबसे क्लीन एयर यहाँ होनी चाहिए। और ये हमने फैक्ट्री बनाई है जिससे कि ये पॉल्यूशन एयर क्लीन हो जाए।
Good morning everyone. This is our project about refraction of light. So in this project, this is incident ray and reflected ray. When light falls on the mirror, then it reflects, bouncing on the reflected ray. So light helps us to see around us, see the wonderful world, how we see the object, mirrors in our own face in the mirror. The reason of reflection of light. Reflection of light means when rays fall on the mirror, it bouncing back or into the same medium. The bouncing back of light is called reflection of light. Thank you for visiting my project.
Reflection of light. We show that the object from rare to denser, the object, the image turned towards the normal.
This model demonstrates the nuclear power plant working of principles which facilitates the electricity generation. Thank you.
This contains containment building. In this, radioactive elements like uranium and plutonium located. These elements undergo nuclear fission. This fission produces lot of heat, which changes water into steam. The blades of turbine rotates when the steam hits heat, and this is connected to the generator. Generator produces electricity when the blades of turbine rotates. This electricity passes from transformers. Transformers increase voltage for the long distance electricity. This electricity passes and used in schools, homes and industries. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is our project. This is called DNA. This is ribonucleic acid.
DNA is a hydrated material used for living organisms and most of the viruses. It uses genetic material used in like reproduction, development and function.
DNA has 4 lines and it is not by cytosine enough by C1 is not by DNA was first discovered by Friedrich Miescher in 1869. In 1962, Miescher winners got the Nobel Prize for making the medicines of DNA.
जब हम यहाँ पर बर्न करेंगे तो सोलर ब्लड एनर्जी लेगी और लाइट प्रोड्यूस होगी, जिसके कारण यहाँ पे लाइट प्रोड्यूस लेगी और सोलर ब्लड के कारण ये बल्ब जो है वो ग्लो करेगा। और यहाँ से जितना भी पॉल्यूशन होगा वो पॉल्यूशन इस पाइप के थ्रू यहाँ जाएगा, जिसके अंदर प्रोसेसिंग होएगी। यहाँ पे कॉटन लगा जो कार्बन को रिड्यूस कर देगा, उसका सिंथेटिक का कपड़ा जो है वो 50, 60 से 90% तक इस एयर को प्यूरीफाई करके बाहर निकाल देगा। और यह सोलर बैटरी काफ़ी चीज़ों को चार्ज भी कर सकती है, लाइक सब बैटरी लाइक 9 वोल्ट्स एंड मेनी बैटरी विल बी चार्ज by this. Thanks. This project is based on the solar power energy. The solar power energy, when we burn this paper, it produces heat, and the solar plate converts this heat into energy, and the plug is electric. And this fan makes the heat outside of this design.
Everyone, it is your project. Tesla World 2.0. It was first made by Sir Nicholas Tesla. It works on the principle of Newton's law. When the copper got electricity, it makes electromagnetic field, which makes it to light. You can also see the demonstration we are giving you. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Here, this is Nandini, and this is our science project team. This is Aruna, Anshika, and Vanchika, and we are here for introducing our innovative and effective science project. This is our automatic CO2 fire extinguisher project, and this is designed to mitigate fire in serious situations
extinguishes the fire. Good morning, everyone. I am Jivika and these are my team partners from 8th D class. Today, I want to describe about water purification. Water purification refers to the process of removing dust and germs and harmful chemical from water. When water is purified, it becomes clear and safe for drinking and cooking. We can purify water with different methods, just like boiling. Boiling is one of the simplest methods to kill germs. The heat came from boiling water can eliminate many bacteria and viruses. Second is filtering. Filtering is effectively remove the bacteria and viruses.
This is ultrasonic sensor module. In this module, this is ultrasonic sensor. When I go near to the hand, this make a sound. And when I clear my hand from this is not make a sound. This is a battery. This is connected to the ultrasonic sensor and the buzzer vibrates when the ultrasonic sensor goes near to the any object.
My name is Ashish. Chandrayaan 3 in India Moon Mission. It was launched by 15 hours. The launch date was 14 July 2020. India became the first country to land the south pole of the moon.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Abhi. Today we are water management. So, our main goal is to show how we can saving drinking water by using rainwater and use household water.
Water management means water used properly and don't waste.
And we keep clear wastewater of RO and gardens.
Myself, Flo.
Myself, Gautam. My project is same. Our project is divided into two parts. First, show how we clear water, and another side shows that when we don't. The model is strong reminder that we are the caretaker of our environment. We do not need to make a difference. We can start right now. Let us all work together to make the whole world look like the happy side of this amazing world. Myself,
मॉडल बनाया है मॉडल मैनेजमेंट जहाँ के पीछे जो ये बहुत सारे घरों में पानी की वेस्टेज होती है तो हम अगर जैसे ही टैंक फुल हो जाता है जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे टैंक फुल हो जाता है तो यहाँ पर एक सेंसर बजेगा जिससे हम अलर्ट एंड तो और हमने इधर जो रेन का पानी आता है तो हम अगर इसमें पानी डालेंगे तो जो रेन वाटर है तो उससे हमारा यहाँ पर हम कार वॉशिंग के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं जैसे
this model on water management. Water is essential for our life. We use water for washing, drinking. And in this large wastage of water, so we try to save water in this model. First method to save water is the wastewater on wash basin used in toilet glass. Next is the wastewater on RO used in garden.
Everyone, I am Nitish Sharma.
My name is Hima.
I am Risham.
We have been searching from last few weeks so how to make a city more cleaner, more efficient and more safer to use. So we have made this project Smart City. So first of all,
This is a wireless car charging. And this is a street light because some areas have no street lights. So street lights is making very efficient. And this is a solar rooftop. And this is a dustbin.
we have also made a windmill so the wind energy would not be wasted and can be used by the people of the city. We also made here a solar rooftop. We have made a earthquake alarm and
In lab from 6th
supplies 50% of the world's electricity. It supplied 4,210 terawatts in 2023. It will be more than all renewable sources combined and also more than nuclear energy.
ये एक पृथ्वी का आधा भाग जला हुआ आधा भाग भरा है। एक तरफ होते हैं ईशान, एक तरफ होता है बिल्कुल जंगल, फैक्ट्री की वजह से धुआं होता है और फिर उसकी वजह से सारी फैक्ट्री चुकी है और यहाँ पे बिल्कुल सीधा साधा है।
I am Ashish. I am this is a project on air pollution. अगर फैक्ट्री के अंदर कोई भी काम होता है तो ये काम होते हुए जो धुआं निकलता है वो हमारी हवा के अंदर मिलता है। वो हवा के अंदर मिलने के कारण हवा प्रदूषित होती है, जिससे हमें सांस लेने में दिक्कत होती है।